Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to present you another watch that I made. I wanted to make a grab and go titanium watch, and this is what I came up with over here. This is not a full build tutorial because I can't make those videos. I don't have the camera set up to do it, and I also don't have the eyesight to do it on camera as well. I need to be really up close with the parts when I build them, so I can't really do the build tutorials. But watching other build tutorials on YouTube, that's how I learned, and that's how I start to get interested in making my own stuff. And here you go. So as I said, lightweight titanium grab and go watch. What do I mean with grab and go? This is powered by a quartz movement, a Seiko VH31 movement with the sweeping second hands, as you can see. I'm gonna start off with the case. So this case, I bought it from AliExpress. It's a case from a brand called Tandorio. Titanium sandblasted case. Measurement for this case, 40mm, as you can see. A lug to lug of 47.7mm and a total thickness of 12.9mm. And as you can see, this has a sapphire crystal on it. It's got a crown position at 3.8. I fitted this pretty cheap strap from AliExpress on it. I upgraded the buckle on the strap because I wanted to have a titanium buckle, so I ordered one from AliExpress, same color as the case. Inside of here, as I said, is the Seiko VH31 quartz movement. I ordered this movement and this VH31 to NH35 spacer from a company called Meridiano in France. They sell all these parts. The spacer is not super cheaply made, you know, it's a good quality spacer. Fits nice inside of an NH35 case. And I also bought the hands for this VH31 movement from this company called Meridiano in France. These pilot style hands. I only made one mistake when I ordered these hands. As you can see, the second hands is a little bit too short. I should have ordered one that's like 1 or 2 millimeters longer, but okay, I'll fix that mistake later on. If I place another order on the shop, I'll order a longer second hand. The dial is an NH35 dial that I ordered from AliExpress. I had to cut off all the legs behind the dial and then stick it on with dial dots onto the VH31 movement and spacer. It looks good in my opinion, this dial with these hands. This entire watch weighs only 53 grams, so super lightweight. And this is the watch on my 7-inch wrist. I'll also include a little outdoor shot of the watch. I think it's a pretty decent looking watch. Let me quickly go over all the parts. So first of all, the titanium case. I'm going to show you a screenshot of what I paid for this case. 31 euros from AliExpress. This strap was $3.90, also from AliExpress. The titanium buckle was more expensive than the strap. This was €5.99 for this titanium buckle. The dial, also from AliExpress, 10.40 euros. Then the movement, the VH31 movement, 11.10 euros. The spacer was 3.3 euros. The hands were 12.10 euros. And if I combine everything, this entire watch cost me 77.59 euros to make. Under 80 euros for this entire watch, which is a good deal. Of course, I'm sure if you look on AliExpress, you can buy titanium watches with a VH31 movement for the same price point as this one, but usually they're branded like Boteri or whatever. Yeah, I just wanted a sterile watch, and of course I wanted to make it myself. So yeah, as I said in the beginning of the video, for me this is a fun grab and go watch. You know, it's not a watch that I'm gonna wear all day every day. If I want to wear it, I can just grab it out of my watch case. With the quartz movement, no need to set a time or anything like that. So I think I pretty much told you everything about it. I'm gonna cut it off there. That was it for me, guys, and I will see you later. Take care. Bye bye.